I was standing side by side as a shadow crosses mine. What it takes to fall.
Yeah, freestyle football, first of all, is super fun. A lot of people think it's super related to football, which is not. I think it's more of an art form, juggling, expressing yourself, and a way to actually know who you are.
アクロバットな技が好きです。
I love acrobatic tricks. Since I can do acrobatics naturally, I enjoy incorporating them into my play. But using a ball makes it much harder. It's really tough.
難しくなるのですごく大変です。
So I've got the most football shoulder rolls in 1 minute, which is basically spinning with the ball on your head and using your arms. And then I've also got the most rebounder volleys, which took me an hour, and it's basically just kicking the ball against a rebounder, and I did the most of those.